Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to this special snowstorm reporting for the Riley King Network. We are live here on the Riley King Network, and this is a special broadcast of the snowstorm that is hitting New England and New Hampshire area. Walking down the driveway right now. The snow is still falling in Deerfield, New Hampshire, as you can all see, and things. Snow-covered driveway. Not ready to go on the pond yet. The ice is still not safe, it looks like. But let's see if we got the mail and newspaper and things. So it's been snowing Wednesday night. It started and been going all day today. Very cold out here. And a couple of times you'll get like a gust of wind, snow wind blowing. Very cold. Make sure you have gloves on and things and be safe out here if you do need to go out. I just shoveled the walkways with my mother and things. We're gonna check the boxes. Oh, look at the birds, everyone. The beautiful birds. So we're making our way to check the road and things. So that's what we're doing, as you can all see. Lovely. Look what we have at the bottom of the driveway. A package. Look at this, everyone. We have a package. Well, at least they can deliver. We got a package. As you can see, the road is snow covered. As you can see, we got a package here. Package. So, snow-covered roads on Nottingham Road in Deerfield, New Hampshire. And cold. I did measure the snow in my backyard, everyone, and when I did that, I did it in 2 spots near the green wall, and 12 inches, about 12 inches in Deerfield, New Hampshire. A package. At least they're delivering in this weather. Probably not a fun day to drive in this weather. Very cold. Make sure you bundle up if you do go out. And if you don't need to be on the roadways, Just stay home where it's safe. Oh my gosh. Chilly, chilly. Snow is still falling at a good clip here in Deerfield, New Hampshire and things. With some blowing, drifting winds as well. And things. As you can see. So yeah. Following the footprints up to the driveway. So again, we got 12 inches in Deerfield, New Hampshire, and snow's coming down good still. Let us know what it's like in your area, so we can share with our fans on the Riley King Network. Oh my gosh. Slowly making our way up the driveway with a package. At least we know they're delivering out in this weather. So yeah, here we go up the driveway. Then we'll go back inside and warm up. Let us know what it's like in your area and things. So again, still snow-covered roads. And the plows are trying to keep up with the roads and things. But it's just hard with the snow. My mom's car is snow-covered, as you can see. Well, most of just that side. Not too bad over here, though. So yeah. Thank you for joining us for this snow reporting here in Deerfield, New Hampshire, outside the Riley King Network studio. Enjoy your day, everyone, and be safe.